Let's continue. Yeah, today is the last lesson. So hopefully all of you are what is that called? Are having good life at home studying. So do you know that recently I got the latest what is that called? Latest notes for the Soalan Ramalan, I feel so happy I got it, Wow. So today I want to discuss with you the MS question. Okay, so you all take note on that. This is one of the very nice question paper. So this is all something like, ooh, very nice. As you all can see over here, class, let me tell you, whereby our, what is that called? SPM, right? Okay, the question here, MS, all the chapter cover already. So the thing is like, you're in school also done, right? So today, we'll go through the exam question practice. Okay, so what you can see is over here. eh, I want you to look at it now. 5 marks question. So everyone, you see carefully. This is a very good question, 5 marks, but then a lot of students they stuck because of the square root. Seems easy, but solve the equation means that I have to find the what is that called? Unknown x, y, z. But this is only x. So let us discuss this question. Okay, to find x, right? Solve means that I have to know what to do. Okay, yeah, I have to make sure the base are the same. But the base are not the same, then can they change to the same base? How to change the same base? So that's the question. Very good question that I found that although looks simple, but it's a bit challenging. I hope that y'all can look into that, whether you can solve or not. Okay. 2 power x plus 1 equals to 33 square root of 2 power x minus 16. So I can say that all of them can change the same base or not. If let's say you want to change the same base, this is 2 power 4. Then I feel very what's that called? Challenging, because y'all cannot see the same thing what I saw. Do you see or not? This one, 2 power square root is power of 1 and 6 is 2 power of 4. Okay. So I actually saw that it's not multiply in between. Cannot directly do what? You cannot directly use the rule a power n times a power n. Cannot, So that's why I need you all to see 1 over 2 and then 2 power x here, 33, right? So I rearrange for you to see something, or you let you lah. So a lot of people they can't see because they see nothing. I let u equals to 2 power x. So u over 2 equals to 33. U power 1 over 2 minus 2 power 4. Should I do that? Oh, okay. So class, the thing is, you still stuck. Okay, everything times 2 lah. So that no fraction lah. So this one, if I don't change this 2 power 4, can or not? I remain 16 because also no help at all. Okay, like that can or not? So what I can say is I want to ask you whether can you solve with this or not. Okay, so got you power 2. And then what you should do So anyone, this question seems easy, but it's actually hard. But the power x plus 1, yeah. I got mistake here. Correct, x plus 1. So it's 2 power x times 2, Okay, so that's right. You can see that's a mistake here. Will be 2u. Ayo, why I saw minus So quickly, everyone, you got draft out anything or not? You got draft out anything that you like to know? Tell me how to do. 2 power u, 2 power, so how? In this question, is it a quadratic? A lot of people see quadratic, but you all didn't see, right? So I rearrange. You all cannot see quadratic because there's no quad power of 2, man. Not necessary, man, right? Can you factorize something like, can factorize? So this question, Uh-huh. What else you can do? It's just like squares, the x, so everything. Uh-huh. What do you think? Or you factorize? So this question, when I choose, right, surely got reason. So it will trap you everywhere, you know. Normally we see this thing like easy lah, sure got let you, then quadratic. But students stuck. That's the problem. Students stuck. So I hope that you all try to use your brain now. Use your brain. Confirm can solve one. If not, why is it so challenging for you? Okay, try now. I want to see whether y'all can do or not. Hopefully y'all can solve without any problem. Okay, if you need help, I will give you some hint. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, oh my god, I come to the wrong place here. So noisy. Y'all can hear me or not? Can hear me? I'm shouting, you know, because I want to, what's that called? Beat the noise. Okay, so everyone, can I ask you this question? Who can solve this? You know, your hand or your leg or whatever lah. Okay, so hello, this question, how to do, how to do. Everyone, I saw only Yi Cheng got the answer. Who else? Who else want to tell me the answer? Okay, so the thing is, you don't let u equals to x because you can't see. So my question is, you let u equals to 2 power of, my question is, you let u equals to 2 power half x. Okay, 2 power half x. So, uh, so question, uh, half x, so that means this one you will get 2u squared, 33u. Then you can do already. So a lot of students, they don't know. Actually, you let u equals to half x. If not, you cannot do anything, cannot factorize, cannot do. So that's the reason why I need you all to open your eyes big, big. Okay, then you can factorize what? That's the trick, you know. Interesting, right? This question trap you and you can very, very, what's that called? Very mangzang, you know, very mangzang means you will be like, ayo, nak buang handphone punya itu feel tau, nak buang laptop semua tu tau. Sebab tak dapat you stuck dengan lama. Sebab di sinilah muncul masalah. Banyak orang tak nampak. Yeah, so your answer should be something like you, but you need to find x. Because you let u equals to half x, so you have to know 2 power half x equals to 1 over 2, 2 power half x equals to 16. So very simple. Your job is to find x now. Okay? Yeah, what should I do, leh? Okay. This is something that you can solve or not. 16 to power 4. Wow. Can do or not? You can do. And so you take half x, you on top equals to on top. This one seems like cut lor. Right? And your answer, x is -2. Who say cannot solve? Can solve. And then you equate the index. So easy. Answer is -2 and 8. Very good. I saw Enki and actually only Yi Chen can do the answer. Very good. So these are questions must try. So I picked some more good question for you to do. Oh, wait, I saw something. Oh, this are question you forgot how to do, right? Linear law. Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, look at this question. Hello, everyone. Very good. I saw Iche and Enki very, what's that called? Supportive, huh? Okay, now everyone, you look carefully. The question, they say express the equation of this in the linear form. So in the linear form, so you have to know, they give you the hint. You look at the XY axis, you have to add log both sides. Add log both sides, then you can see how to solve easily without any problem. Yeah, so that's the thing. How you see that? Then you split them. Oh. You split them. Okay. Divide means minus. Then after that, what you can see is log 10, 1000 is what? 3. And this one, square root is 1 over 2 power. You have to rearrange because you have to get y equals to mx plus c. Y equals to m s plus c. This is the mx. The c is 3. That's all. 2 max. So question B. How to do? State the log 10y. So they want the intercept. For question B, to find y-intercept is when what equals 0? When x equals 0. No. A lot of students, they wrong here. People already changed no longer xy axis. It should be log x equals 0. So you have to find the y-intercept through this. Don't need lah, so cute. Directly is 3 lor. Sometimes you don't just blur like that. Do, and you didn't realize the answer already. The answer already. 1 mark some more. State only. So equals to 3. Answer is 3. Can you see or not? And find the value of m and n. Yeah. Find the value of m and n. Now, to do question C, I show you here. To find the value of m and n, you just say when log x equals to -2, log y equals to m. So 3 minus half log x equals to m. 3 minus half, you substitute -2 equals to m. Cut, m equals to 7. Correct? Very good. Well done. Hey, okay, how come you got 4 one? Oh, sorry, I got wrong. It's 4 now. Cut. I go and multiply pula. Yes, double check your answer. Well done. How about n? Is when log y equals to 0. X-intercept man. So very simple. You substitute into the equation here. Okay. Y equals 0. Whole thing, not y. The log y equals 0. And then you should know the n you replace with the whole thing log x. The log x is n, you know. So half n equals to 3, n equals to 6. That's the answer. Scare you, no worry, Anki. I scare yourself, scare myself. Okay, any question here? We go to next already, wow, vector. Which one you like? Vector lah, huh? Vector. I think the probability distribution we never try before, is it? This one, we do this one. I think better do this one. Okay, everyone do question 8A and B. This question, maybe I will try to cut on the other because not enough space. Okay, not enough space. So let me cut here. Okay. So this question you must know how to do. That's right. A lot of students, they don't know how to do this. They don't know how to do this. So I want you to know how to do. Okay. Very happy, everyone. y'all can see this question? Okay. So y'all can see or not? Ready? Yeah. So for those who are here, oh, I want to ask you how to solve. Wow, how to do? So this question, A, B, how to do? Okay, y'all can see this question, see whether can solve or not. Okay, I only saw the answer from Enki alone. So let's check it out. The answer for this, you see, got 7 committee. So in a round table, this one will come out in your SPM. I can say that because it's a new syllabus. This one never come up before. Round table, you got 7 committee, you got 7 people, find number of ways to arrange. Okay, if president, secretary, and treasurer must sit next to each other. So what happened here is, because a round table, you have to take m minus 1 factorial. Okay, m minus 1 means you have to tie them together as 1. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And because round table, you have to minus 1. Remember m minus 1 factorial for round table, number of ways. Haven't finished? Because these 3 people have to arrange themselves. So PST, TSP, STP, you have to know why 3 factorial. Because of TSP, they have to rearrange themselves. So answer equals to 144. Okay, done. So this is very good question. You must remember how to do. And question B, I want to tell you the discrete random variable has binomial probability distribution n equals to 4. So probability distribution is given this. So now find the value of h. Value of h. So this question you need to know how to do. Okay. So you have to understand. If you have to know how to do is, when you see this question, h plus 0.25, okay, equals to 1 minus 0.6875. Do you understand this step or not? Because of this, less than equals to 2 means only 0 and 1. Okay, it means probability of x equals to 0 plus probability x equals to 1 equals to 1 minus. So your job is to find h. So what's the answer? Okay. And then how about Roman 2? Find the k. Where to see the k? K, very simple. You must know if they plus together. Do you know that these 3 things you have to understand to find k? Do you know that you can link to the other side, which is this 3 fella, k plus 0.25 plus 0.0625 equals to, do you agree, is 1 is 0.6875, right? Okay, all right, not. Yeah, so you must know how to solve, So answer k equals to 0.375. So that's the answer. Okay, good. So check carefully which one you don't understand. You must ask. This is called discrete random variable. Okay, so I saw your answer. Your friend also correct. Very good. And let's continue integration chapter that y'all don't like. Maybe got mistake on that. Okay, everyone, look at this question. Okay, now your turn to solve this question now, everyone. Please do it. Okay, nobody give answer one. So that means, okay, now I saw the answer from Yi. Not sure, huh? Okay, everyone, you see this question, they give you 1 to 4 is 5. They ask you to find. So the thing is, I want you to know this question. If you want to solve 3hx plus 2, you need to know how to split them. Because why they give you this is for you to substitute. That's the reason. You split them into two integration. Okay? You can take out also the 3 and you integrate to 2x from 1 to 4. And this one you can substitute the 5. So this one, 2 times 4 minus 2 times 1. You all can see or not? 15 plus 8 minus 2. So answer 21. Correct or not? Yes. Not hard, not hard. Yicheng, not hard. You see how I do? Very simple one. Luckily, I test your. Actually, this is the actually integration. The easiest question is something like that, you know. They test you property of integrals. They are testing you properties only. How to substitute only. Yeah, not asking you to do the technique. Not like quotient rule, all these things, right? They are called technique. Property means they want you to find out the information from they give you. They give you y, they give you dy dx, and they give you this. Wow. So this is the question. To find integrate of this, how I do is, you need to know integrate hx. Do you see or not? The hx, you have to substitute, right? Equals to 1 over 2 of dy dx. Because they give you hx here, the 2 bring there first. Okay, you have to solve the dy dx first. Okay, you have to solve the dy dx first. They give you y, got reason, you know, for you to solve dy dx and substitute in. Can you understand? So this question is not that very hard. Yeah, how to separate? Oh, this one, you have to know. Should I use the quotient rule? Okay, quotient rule to solve dy dx. So this one 3 marks. So you let u equals to 2x squared. Dx is 4. Should I do that or not? B equals to x plus 1. dv dx equals to 1. Should I do this? Quotient rule to solve and put it here? Or don't need? Anyone? Should I do that or not, class? So I can tell you, if you do this, you will be having headache. Because 3 marks, you are not going to do that. Don't need, don't need, don't need, don't need. If you do like that, will be very suffering. So what is the best method to solve this? Because these are questions I told you, they test your properties. So don't be trapped. Although your answer at the end, I think should be the same. So y equals to, you see, you got dy dx equals to 2hx, right? You start from this. Then what happened here is you have to know y equals to, you differentiate, bring that, you integrate both sides lah. You integrate both sides. So you get y equals to integrate 2hx. So try to see what is the relation. Okay, and what you see is you bring the 2 there, become y over 2. These 2 can bring out. And I want you to observe carefully. I want to find integrate of 1 to 3. Correct or not? You want to find integral of 1 to 3. This is the question, right? That means you have to know, you have to integrate the 1 over 2, the y replace with this. You replace the y with 2x squared over x plus 1 over here. This is the good question. And then Your job going to finish already. Very good, easy. So substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. Substitute upper limit lor. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Okay. And your answer? What's the answer? 18 over 4 minus 2 over 2. So your answer 7 over 4? This is a very good question that you all should know. Everyone, you all must know how to solve with this method. Not like asking you to do differentiate lah and then substitute. Don't need, don't need. Got reason one. Especially the question they say, given this and that, right? Confirm they will ask you to directly substitute one. Don't need to like, oh, have to do a cell like different way. So I hope that you all really also must be smart a bit. Okay, now next question. I also want to test you. This is a good question, trigonometry, that you need help. Okay, trigonometry. This one, you finished copying or not? Okay, next question. Do more because for those who need help, you just need to understand how am I going to solve. Okay, you try to see my working. You see my working and you compare your working. So I want you to look at this question. Okay, for you all to practice. Trigonometry also another question that students don't like. They hate. They hate. Don't know why they hate. Okay, so everyone check your answer. So everyone solved the answer already or not? This question. Okay, let's check it out. I only see one friend give the answer, right? Each can give the answer correctly or not, A and B. Okay, for question A, I know some of you are not good in solving trigo equation because the reason is you all are not able to see the connection. Oh yeah, why I write and then erase, and then I write again and erase again. So it's like it's like you have to understand how to connect them. So I can tell you, a lot of people didn't realize that it can be like that. I told you already, to solve quadratic equation, trigo equation, to solve trigo equation, you need to know, change to a single trigo. You got sine, you got cos, you just need to change to a single trigo, right? Sine and cos like that, right? Can change to sine 2 theta. Okay, and then you just solve 1 over 2. And then after that, you have to do what? You have to inverse the sine 1 over 2, right? And then your answer, you take calculator, it's 30-degree, right? But you must know double angle and some more. You still remember this one? Or sextic condom, okay? Whereby sine produce positive. I mean sine produce positive at quadrant 1, and then quadrant 2, sine positive. So your job is to take theta, and this one 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 30 is 150 lor. And because double angle, you don't go and divide by 2 first. You make sure you find all the possible angle first. Okay, another one more round. 360 plus 30, 390. And then one more round. 360 plus 150, 510. Okay, this is because double angle. Double angle, so plus 360 plus 360. Do you know that? And I want to find theta, everything divided by 2, divided by 2, and divided by 2, and divided by 2. Do you get the answer correctly? Okay. So now, question B, I know you all are also stuck, right? Question B. Question B is not solving equation. Question B is to substitute only, right? You have to know whereby they ask you, where they say sine A is P, right? You have to make it P over 1. Sine is opposite over hypo. So you make a trigo Tuacaso triangle. And angle A, obtuse angle. You must know obtuse angle is at quadrant 2. Quadrant 2. This is how you see angle A. And opposite, you have to fill out first. P. Hypo is 1. So you need to know how to find adjacent. Okay? Adjacent is 1 square minus P squared and square root. Okay? You have to know. Then only you can find the answer for each of them. Cos 2A, you can either use the formula. What formula you can use? Hello? What formula you can use? Cos 2A is what formula? You can use cos square minus sine square. Do you still remember this formula? Cos 2A is cos square minus sine A. So cos square means ka, adjacent, or hypo, sine square, P over 1. So you see or not? Square root square, no more. P square, P square. And then your answer? Oh, do you get it correct, everyone? Interesting, huh? And question number 2, Roman 2. How about this? This is called as double angle formula. Remember, tangent A plus B equals to tangent A plus tangent B over 1 minus or 1 plus tangent A tangent B. Remember this formula? So you just need to substitute the A with 150, 180, the B with A. Okay, do you still remember or not? 180, tangent A, 180, tangent A. Okay, and tangent 180 is what? Tangent 180 is 0. Tangent A leh? Tua, P over square root of 1 minus P squared. Then over 1 plus 0. So make your answer nicer a bit, which is simplified. Do you get this, everyone? That's the answer. Correct or not? So this is a question you must try also that you never expect it come out. It always come out lah. Okay, clear or not? Okay, what else is like, let's see. Maybe we can look at the another question. I hope that you all can solve it without any problem. Okay, everyone, I want to ask this question. Very good question. You all must try. You all must try. Okay. Okay, this question very good. Whereby you need to know it involve what class? The normal distribution. So I hope that you all can refer to the table. Do you have the table next to you? The normal distribution table, got or not? Hello, do you have the normal distribution table or not? Ada tak? Kesian, tak ada orang nak jawab saya. Hello, ada tak? So you read this question. At least got people say yes. Ada got Natasha. So ada. You check because this chapter also confirm will come out lah, huh? Just that student don't know how to find the value. Yeah, find the value. Yeah. So everyone refer to the table. If you need the table, maybe I can on the table lah, huh, for you to see. So you do first. Shafika also say yeah. Today is the last lesson. Okay. Very sad, you know. Yeah, that's why I must really keep in touch and connect with each other from time to time, okay, so that y'all won't be having any problem. Okay, so hopefully all of you can score good result after these 3 months of program. So now I want you to look at the question first. How to do? Okay, try to study, try to convert it. You convert it into, what is that called? Convert it into the you have to convert it into something the Z normal distribution, Z score. Wow, I saw the answer already from Yi Cheng. Very fast, huh? Yi Cheng, Enki. Wow, both of you very like top student like that. I really hope that y'all can get A plus, A plus, okay. So hopefully y'all got no problem with this. So since your friend got the answer already, then we discuss lah. Those who are so slow, so sorry lah, cannot discuss the answer lor. So my friend laughing at me. Actually, they all actually looking at me teaching, all of them. They see me very hardworking. And then, yeah, so I still need to teach, no matter where I go. Yeah, because it's a responsibility. So y'all can do, right? Because I saw Yi Cheng and Enki can do. The others, eh? Okay, let's discuss the answer lah. Let me teach you. Because they apply in Grab driver. Do you know a lot of people, right? They want to rush. Especially we use statistic to show whether Grab driver or the Grab food. A lot of people, I mean those Grab food, I saw they all got accident and die, Actually, a lot of accident happen, for Grab because they need to meet the time. They need to meet the time to fetch the food within maybe half an hour, within 10 minutes, 20 minutes, very stressed, So those who want to become Grab food, so please be careful. Accident can be happen if you drive very fast, okay? To rush here and there. So his travel time from A to B normally distributed. So confirm is normal distribution. So I let X, so it's about travel time. Okay, travel time, you just need to know from area A and B lah. So X is normally distributed, mean, and variance. Right, variance. So this question, to find the probability not less than 20, not less than, it means more than equal lah. Not less than means what? More than equal 28. So you have to change to Z score. Formula minus mu over this, right? Standard deviation, right? So some of you forgot already. So I have to tell you minus mean over square root of 2.25. Okay, not less than. So you have to know what is going on here. Okay. And this is Z score. And what is the value here? Can you please check 28 minus 25 divided by 1.5? So answer is more than 2. So from the table, you check more than 2. Is it, you see, check more than 2, 0.0228. It's a bonus mark question, very directly. 0.0228. Just look at the 2, then can already. The question Roman 2 is the question that you need to know. Probability Z, the X in between 22 and 28. So student will ask me, should I put equal sign or not? Got equal, no equal, answer still correct. Okay, don't need to worry. So you all have to change to Z score also. Change to Z score. They only can refer to the table. Remember, okay? What you can see is, you see the answer in between who and who? -2 to 2. So I always ask students to draw first. -2 to 2, Z score. So this area, you have to be careful, is what minus what? Okay, it's equivalent to, what is that, class? 1 minus 2 probability of Z more than equals to 2, correct or not? These two areas same, right? Yeah, very direct. And more than 2 just now found on top already, right? 0.0228. Oh my God, and the answer is 0.9544. Yes, easy, right? And some question may ask you to find the inside one, They give you this one and find inside. Can be that way. Then you have to look at the table. You have to practice more on this question. Okay, so for today, I'm so happy to see all of you here. Hopefully, all of you can really, yeah, that's me, can really have a very nice, what is that called? Enjoyable session with me throughout these 3 months. Okay, I hope that y'all really can do well and score in the exam. Okay, so if you want to keep in touch with me, you still can WhatsApp me, or you can actually Insta IG. Okay, Anson Lim 86. You'll see me there. Okay, keep in touch. If you have any problem, let me know, and we still can. Yeah, Enki say we'll miss you. Still got time. December, January, yeah, February. Who knows? You need to see me. You can ask me. Up to you, right? Then I can guide you again. So, thanks for Sergi University and College that sponsor this program, and thanks to Fern Education that helping so much to build this program to help so much of you, right, to score good result. So make sure that you all really can find back Fern Education to inquire for your further study. Yeah, if you want to study in overseas or local, or further study in university, local university, college, just go and get. Maybe you can get scholarship also. Yeah, Enki, very good. Yeah, good promote, huh? Can. So thank you so much and hope that y'all can do well in your future. Okay, I might see you because I also lecturing in university. Yeah, I can see you again one day. Welcome, really helps a lot, yeah? Yeah, don't worry, Yi Cheng. I think you can improve some more and hope that you all can do well. Thank you, class. Hope to see you. Bye. Thank you so much. Min, bye bye. Welcome, Yi Cheng. Will remember me. Thank you, Yi Cheng and Ki. Take care, yeah, everyone. Okay, see you. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.